Yes. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. Great to have you checking in today because today I want to update you on Tron, I want to update you on Nuls, and I want to update you on Ripple's XRP. And why would I do that? Well, it's because here at the channel, you subscribe for a video on crypto every day. And team, today's a great one. Okay? I can already see you liking this video. So let's get into it. Let's start by taking a look at where we stand in the crypto market. And check this out, because we are finally back up above a $220 billion market cap, which is nice. You know, it's nice to get a total market cap above 220. I can't believe it. That's very low in the grand scheme of things, but for the last 3-4 days now, we've sort of been fluctuating around the 215 to $18 billion market cap. But as you can see, right, last night we had a shot of life into the market. Not a big shot, not like a hobo taking a heroin, needle or anything. Not a big one, more like a vegan taking a little B12 pill. A little shot of life. But it was enough, and it seems like we're forming some nice support around 220 total market cap. And check this out, guys. Bitcoin dominance, not much change. We're still in the low 52 percentile, and right, Bitcoin is up about 1%. So all in all, very positive day in the market. I want to take a look at the top 10 with you guys real quick. Bitcoin at 6,600 and up about 1%. Ethereum up about 2%. Everything sort of up between 1 and 2%, except XRP. Interesting. What did we just see with XRP? Well, what was it, about a week ago? They had their Swell conference where they made their huge announcement that XRapid was officially being launched, which was huge, not only for cryptocurrency, but for XRapid. XRP. But what did we see? Well, a few days before the announcement, XRP flew all the way from 25 cents all the way up to 77 cents. Huge, outrageous gains. And as soon as they announced XRapid, or as soon as the conference started, XRP started going down, and it's still going down. So to me, this is a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. People bought that the rumor would be great and fantastic. Maybe they knew about it, and then they sold when everybody else was coming in. Me personally, I don't think XRP is going back down to 25. I can see it getting down maybe as low as 40, the lowest maybe, but say what you want about them, but they're capable. Anyway, team, that's the top 10. I want to finish this off by taking a look at Bitcoin, because like I said, right now they're up today around $6,646. And what I want to point out is, look at this, guys. This is Bitcoin over the last 4 weeks, and this is something we've not seen in a very long time, that for the last 4 weeks we've been seeing consistent, steady, healthy growth. Higher lows and higher highs. And I don't know, a lot of people are saying that the next breakout line, the next support line we have to hit is we need some stability and then some growth from 6,800. That's what we're looking at, but nice to have some steady, healthy growth. I got a feeling, it feels like something big is going to happen. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And again, we check out the market every single day, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give it a like. Big news out of the mainstream media today, guys. CNBC's Rand Neuner says Bitcoin is about to explode. Have you heard about this? Well, let me clue you in. It's always good when we get some mainstream media talking something positive about Bitcoin for once. Well, crypto analyst and host of CNBC's show Crypto Trader, Rand Neuner has claimed that the price of Bitcoin is about to explode in a tweet that occurred October 7th. And why is that? Why did he say that? Well, the big reason that he claimed was, and I guess they didn't highlight it, but the big reason that he claims, he points to pending ETF decisions. Well, we just know that the big one, it got delayed till December, so what's he talking about? Points to pending ETF decisions. Guys, some channels, they just pull the headlines, they just read the first thing. I pulled more for you guys. He was referring to the US SEC sets November 5th. Whoa, that's next month. November 5th deadline for reviewing 9 Bitcoin ETF applications. Check this out with me. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has outlined a time frame for reviewing proposed rule changes, interesting, related to a series of applications to list and trade various Bitcoin exchange traded funds, ETFs. The review period affects 9 separate ETFs that have been proposed by 3 different applicants. And this is all according to documents filed by the SEC, I guess now a few days ago, October 4th. Wow. The new amendments, so what does that mean? The new amendments affect a pair of Bitcoin ETFs that have been submitted by ProShares in conjunction with the New York Stock Exchange ETF exchange, NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA. The other affected applications are the 5 further proposed ETFs from Direxon, also for listing on the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, and 2 proposals from Granite Shares for listing on the CBOE. So while it's not the big one that we were waiting for, that actually, you have to cash out in Bitcoin, still would be huge for the industry, the crypto industry. And why does Rand Neuner say this? Why does he say Bitcoin is about to explode with this? Well, the deadline, the SEC has solicited any party or other persons to file a statement in support or in rejection for the proposed Bitcoin ETFs by November 5th. So this is all happening by November 5th. What else is happening November 5th? Or in November? Backed, that'll be even bigger, arguably. I mean, we talk about this on the channel all the time. Backed is happening in November. And guys, let's not forget about this. Coinbase has announced that by the end of the year, they will list between 1 and 6 altcoins. BAT, 0x, possibly Stellar. If all these things happen in November, could that be a perfect storm? Is that why we're seeing this steady, healthy growth? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy. I've had some success in crypto in the last year, looking to have a lot more, but make your own decisions out there. To me, it feels like something big's happening. Guys, last but not least, I pulled the exact tweets just so right from the horse's mouth. This was the tweet that started it all, and he continued in further tweets, but he said, "I just bought Bitcoin for my parents. It's too obvious. It is too obvious that it's about to explode." Always great to see from the mainstream media. Guys, I'm going to like it. I like what he's saying. I'm going to support this guy. I want to stay up to date. But let's keep going. Ripple, Tron, and Nuls. Do you guys know what's happening? Ripple goes global. Let me ask you something. Could XRP go to Tokyo 2020, the Olympics, as its official cryptocurrency? Well, there's a petition going around that says it will. It has over 10,000 signatures thus far. And crazy team, because this actually started over 10 months ago by a user going by Ken Takahashi on change.org. Do you guys know what change.org is? Well, it is a popular petition hosting service, so you can form petitions. And he created a campaign titled "Make XRP the official cryptocurrency of the Tokyo Olympics 2020." Wow. And why would this benefit the Olympics, making XRP the official currency? Well, as explained by the mastermind behind this movement, while the Olympics are touted as humanity's greatest achievement, these games put a lot of stress on the host country's economy and infrastructure. Brazil's recent Rio Olympic Games, while great, may have harmed Brazil itself. Interesting, and here's an exact quote, because we already know Ripple, the point of Ripple is to make it easy to trade, exchange currency between borders. And there's plenty of people coming in, from all over the world to a specific border. And here's a direct quote: "As tourists stream into the country, demand for local currency skyrockets, causing long lines at currency exchanges, as seen at past events like Beijing 2008, Rio de Janeiro 2016. Confusing exchange rates and language barriers further complicate the problem." What do you guys think? This is my opinion, because I think, yes, XRP was made for this. It could 100% help out, the people that are traveling into this country. But, I mean, I don't study this, so I don't know for sure, but I would assume that the country that has the Olympics, they want their economy to be boosted by this event. They want people using their exchange to use at local shops. I don't know. I mean, I'm bullish on cryptocurrency, but if anything happens, if XRP does, get more than 10K signatures, I could see it being partnered. I could definitely see that something Ripple does. They go on Ellen, they get Bill Clinton to be their speaker. I could definitely see XRP finagling themselves to be a partnered, an option to use at the event, but making it the sole official currency. I don't know if we're there yet. Guys, if you want to sign the petition, I pulled it right there. But when that article was written, it was about 10K. Now it's over 11K. Let's get to 15K. I'm going to leave this for you guys in the link in the description below. Check it out if you want. Tron and Nuls. You guys heard about these updates? Well, Tron CEO claims today's update will make Tron 200 times faster than Ethereum. Wow. Their CEO, Justin Sun, he's a great marketer, but let's see what he says. Decentralized internet protocol Tron's TRX token surged almost 8% Monday, October 8th, after CEO, so this was just yesterday, after CEO Justin Sun claimed its forthcoming update would see it beat Ethereum on speed and EOS on cost. Now, we all know that Tron was created to be a better Ethereum in a sense, but that's why EOS was created as well. So if Tron could beat Ethereum in speed and EOS in cost, that would be big for Tron holders. Well, the update is, so Odyssey 3.1, the latest version of Tron, will go live at 8 p.m. SGT. I think that's Singapore time. That's sometime in the morning, Los Angeles time, where I'm from. But it will go live at 8 p.m. SGT. And Justin Sun confirmed on Twitter as result of community consensus. The changes include the launch. So what are the changes? The changes include the launch of Tron's virtual machine, and what does that do? Which will allow developers to test smart contracts before they transfer to the Tron mainnet. Very nice for Tron. And this was I don't mean that sarcastically, if that's how it came out. Really, good for them. But here's the thing. Justin Sun, he has a lot of sizzle. He has a lot of sizzle in his marketing stuff, and he has some stake too. But I want to see this backed up. I really do. This was the exact quote, the exact tweet. Tron will be 200x faster than Ethereum, 100 times cheaper versus EOS. DApp developers and users, this one's for you. Very nice. Guys, this is their Twitter. I've checked for you guys. Well, this was tweeted by him the other day. This was Tron's Twitter. Nothing yet. So if it will do that, we're waiting for this update to actually happen so we can verify this. Nothing out of the Tron community yet. We'll keep you updated. And again, follow us on Twitter if you want to stay updated. Link in the description below. Last but not least, team, Nuls. It's been a while since we've heard from Nuls. They launched their mainnet, what was it, like a month ago? At one point, they were in the top 10, the top 100. They're not there anymore. We're not going to go to them right now. But solid project, third generation cryptocurrency, very solid project, but they've sort of been the bear market has definitely drained them. Anyway, what is the update? Nuls has formed a strategic alliance with Ulysses Capital, a U.S. hedge fund. Okay, this is great. I actually found this on their Twitter, guys. So again, guys, Twitter, #1 place to get information. Minimum, go follow us, and then go through our followees and just follow all those people. Anyway, what's the update? Ulysses Capital is based in Los Angeles. Whoop. With additional offices in London and Sydney. And why is this a big deal with Ulysses Capital? Well, who are they? Ulysses Capital manages around 1.5 billion, wow, in long-short strategy, and its current portfolio focuses on bonds 70% and stocks 30%. So anybody with this much, 1.5 billion in long-short strategy, and focuses on these, bonds and stocks, which people trade way more frequently than cryptocurrency for now, it's got some weight behind it, and now they're partnered with Nuls. Ulysses Capital recently established a crypto fund to invest. So what did they do? They established a crypto fund to invest in cryptos and blockchain companies. Among them, Nuls was selected as the first platform coin investment based on Nuls' blockchain superiority and team development capabilities. So this is big. Out of all the cryptocurrencies they could have chosen from, they thought Nuls was superior. And I do think it's a solid project. This was an exact quote, guys. We highly value the technical superiority of the Nuls platform and the ability to the team to successfully launch mainnet and align with vechain. So yeah, Nuls has made some great strategies, partnerships. They're still doing it. Said June Lee, the fund manager in charge of Ulysses Capital crypto fund. Last part of the quote: we will build a win-win relationship with each other by creating more opportunities for Nuls in the future. Anyway, team, big ups out of Nuls. Good for them. Again, Tron, Nuls, and Ripple. Let me know in the comments what you're liking. Let me know if I missed anything on these updates. But last but not least, guys, feel free to follow us on Twitter at altcoindailyio. Link in the description. All right, team. This was today's video. We'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. And don't give it a like, give it a subscribe if you found value. Peace.